What's going on, guys? Paul from Putco here at the RHRSwag garage. Today we got a great product to show you. It's our Nitro-Lux LED headlight replacement. This is going to be a nice 5000K white LED headlight. It's got about 6,000 lumens of output too. It's going to be real bright, real white light coming out of that housing. Some features on the bulb itself. Putco has a patented copper cloth heatsink, and that's going to allow maximum heat dissipation through that copper cloth. It will be an alternative to your fan-based system, which is a huge point of failure, or your bulky solid heat sinks that take up way too much of that headlight housing space. Beyond that, on the install on these guys, super easy. Like I said, plug and play. That copper cloth heatsink can be folded up on itself too, so you get a real nice, good install. It makes full use of that headlight housing, but you can also put your dust cap back on. You have a lot of leftover room in there. Check out RHRSwag.com for your full fitment guide, full bulb type application as well. Thanks.